Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Smoky Evening. Bollywood actresses whom KL Rahul has dated. Cricketer KL Rahul is winning the hearts of cricket lovers with his super batting skills in this IPL. The skipper of Kings 11 Punjab has already won the hearts of many Bollywood actresses for the last few years. Let us have a look at those Bollywood actresses who have linked up with this batsman. Nidhi Agarwal. Nidhi Agarwal and KL Rahul were spotted several times by the media together on dates. Speculations of their relationship were on high. In their clarification, both Nidhi and KL Rahul said that they are long-time friends, nothing more than that. Sonam Bajwa. This Punjabi actress was speculated to be dating cricketer KL Rahul, as the batsman once commented that he is just a call away. But lately both of them remained completely silent about their relationship in front of the public and nothing was confirmed. Akanksha Ranjan Kapoor. Guilty actress Akanksha Ranjan Kapoor has been spotted several times with KL Rahul. These two were multiple times spotted together doing parties and spending quality time together. Sonal Chauhan. One tweet by this gorgeous actress sparked the fire of the speculation that KL Rahul was dating Sonal Chauhan. Neither of these two celebs has come forward openly to clarify or to admit anything about the speculation of their relationship. Atiya Shetty. This star kid has been spotted with KL Rahul on multiple occasions and several times media has spotted them on dates. Sunil Shetty has eventually confirmed the fact that his daughter and the Indian batsman are dating each other. But these two lovebirds have not confirmed anything publicly yet, in spite of sharing several pictures on social media. Whom do you like most with KL Rahul among these Bollywood beauties? Let us know in the comment section and subscribe to our channel for more updates.